Hi, welcome back. 12th of April, 2023. This is Daniel Parsons, Prife International independent business owner. And this is a wellness company. It's global, based in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And today I want to share with you about the Renew Patch, which these products are available in the United States and Canada right now. And my wife, Patricia, and I have used the patch for about 4 days now, and we are both sleeping better. My wife baked a homemade apple cake today. She was just, wow, she has a lot more energy. And so this is the package that I bought. It has 3 of the EMF shields and then 3 of the Renew patches. And so the Renew patch is what I'm going to talk about because I already have video about the EMF shield. And so I highly recommend, if you want to come in and be an independent business owner like me, be able to earn some extra cash sharing these patches, you can come in on this package, which will give you the shields for your phone. You see right here, this is physics on display because any of the harmful radiation is getting blocked with this shield. It's a very thin application. It has some glue, and you just put that on the back of your phone, not on the protective cover. So let me get back to speaking about, yes, this package right here is enough volume to be able to put you into the income plan. If you just came in and bought this sleeve, one package of the Renew patch, it's $60. And this is what your little patches look like, okay? And let me just show you the application right here. You can see my patch is right there. It's that little, you can see that right there, okay? And so I do my shower at night, and so every 3 days I change that out. And so you're getting 28, so it's roughly 10 patches for each month. So one of these packages of the Renew is going to last you 2 months, and then almost that 3rd month you'll need to buy another one. So this is very affordable product. It's helping balance your body with some plants, some botanicals, and some herbs. And I will put the details of the ingredients when I get that. And so this is, I'm putting this in my store today. Now there is a big yellow banner up over my store saying not available in Europe. I know I have a big team in Europe. I know they are very much into wellness. However, I'm sorry, right now this is not available. And I stay in close communication with Europe, the people that have Prife inventory in their warehouses. And I will let you know just as soon as this Renew patch is available in Europe. But right now, USA and Canada. So how can you find my store? Let me show you that with a screen share. And first, we're going to share Prife International. Now, they will have a link to this Renew patch underneath the iTerra Care, the Ion Shield, the 7 Wonders Water, and the iTerra Bio Foot Massager. Great place to enter, seed, and put in my inventory update. As of the Pacific time zone, 8 o'clock in the evening, I have, on the 12th of April, I have one iTerra Bio foot massager in stock, and I have one Seven Wonders water bottle in stock. I have four gold-colored ion shields in stock, and that is the extent of my on-hand inventory. And I can get iTerra Care blowers shipped anywhere in the world. So I just want to show you member login real quick, and I want to show you 510 is the captcha was given. And so here is the page. And so we want to go navigate. Okay. So register and select region. And let me show you United States. And I'm going to the stockist that I know that has inventory. And there you go. Let me show you the EMF shield right here. You get 2 of those EMF shields in that package for $60, and they last for a year. Put it anywhere that you're susceptible to 5G or any radiation. Okay, here is the Renew patch, $60. Like I said, that would last you a little less than 3 months. That's very good value. And then the EMF Shield bundle of 6, or you have this one. I got this package right here. I got 3 EMF shields and 3 of the Renew patch, and that was $360. And so I had 204 in volume, which will be enough to place you into my very large international team. So last thing I wanted to show you is, let's go stop share, and let me go back here and go to put iTerra Care healthblower.com, and I will show you my store. And let me go back to screen share the screen. Okay, so I am compliant in the EU now. I have been working on my websites, and I have this thing known as the GDPR. And this is about privacy and how your data is used. I only use your data to be able to do business with you. And so I'm going to go ahead and get out of there. And so when you click on that EMF shield, it'll have a little yellow pop-up, only available in USA. I do have the iTerra Care Classic device, 220 to 230 volt for Europe. I've got that right here in the cart. I've got the device for Canada. It's $5 more than the USA price. And so I detail why my price is the way it is, because you don't have to use the PayPal system. You can buy directly on my website. Let me just go ahead and hit on the EMF shield. And so see right here, as of 10 April, available only in Canada, USA. I'll let you know when you can get this in Europe. And then, so I want to go add to cart and view cart. And so let's go ahead and free shipping on the Prife products. Proceed to checkout. Just put in your details right here. And if you need to ship to a different address, go ahead and check that box. If you got any special things about your order, let me know in that little box. But right here, I got all the EU in here. We just signed up a gentleman in Malta yesterday. So Luxembourg, Denmark, all over Europe. So you can buy iTerra Care from me in Europe, and then you would just fill out your details there. And I'm using a merchant account called Bankful. We take American Express, Discover, MasterCard, Visa. Just put your card number, expire, security code, place your order, and there's my privacy policy right there. So And that being said, there's my FDA policy. And so let's stop sharing. And that's going to be the end of this video and training. Really excited about this Renew patch. So God bless you. And you can also get a hold of me at Telegram. My handle is simply my name, Daniel Parsons. And then that phone is country code of 1-360-383-0265. Bye for now.